Today I'm going to show you one of my all-time favourite gluten-free cakes, a burnt lemon and almond. This cake is so easy, you're going to be making it every week. First, I'm adding my butter and sugar into my mixer, and I'm going to set it off on a low beat just to get it started, and then up high to make sure it's really well combined. You'll notice by the time we're finished here that the butter and sugar will have doubled in size by capturing all that air. This is going to make your cake just that little bit lighter. Stopping every so often to scrape down the sides just to make sure that it's mixed in well. Then we add our eggs, whole eggs. And these eggs are at room temperature. To that, our almond meal and our gluten-free flour. Now, if you didn't want it to be a gluten-free cake, you could just add in plain flour here. And of course our honey. This adds such a beautiful flavour to the cake and really works well with the almond meal. Vanilla essence or vanilla seed. And we're just going to mix this on the lowest setting just till it's starting to combine. We don't want to beat it too hard. Then we're going to add in our almonds. And you could add in hazelnuts or walnuts or any nuts that you want here.
Shut up and sit down.
Now I've prepared a tin here and I've just lightly greased it with some spray oil. And I simply just pour in my batter, making sure that we get every little bit out of the bowl. Just don't want to waste any of it. Pat it down and make it as even as you can on the top. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. It will bake into the tin as it starts to heat up. Just before I put it into the oven, I want to just drizzle it with some fresh lemon. Putting this in the oven at 175 for 1 hour. And here we have it. After 1 hour, I've let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to drizzle a little bit more lemon on the top, and then we're ready to go.